Hello heroes, Brody Bunch, Busy Bees, and Miss Ray's class. Welcome to your last phonics lesson for second grade. We are going to be looking at prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes come before a base word. Before a base word. For example, we have the word enjoy. Our base word is joy. Our prefix is N. Our next word we have is unclear. Clear is our base word. Un is our prefix. In our last example, we have the word dislike. Like is our base word, and our prefix is dis. Now, I'd like you to pause the video and take a moment and come up with 4 words that have a prefix. Okay, now we're going to move on to suffixes. Suffixes come after a base word. So our suffix comes after a base word. Our example words are helpful. Our base word is help. Our suffix is full. Our next example is appointment. Our base word is appoint, and our suffix is ment. In our last example, we have inkless. Ink is our base word, and less is our suffix. Suffixes come at the end of a base or a root word. I'd like you to pause the video in a moment, and I'd like you to write down 4 more words that have a suffix. And remember, a suffix comes after a base word. Okay, nicely done. On Wednesday, you will be selecting some of your words to use in sentences.